look at what female Trachycarpus fortunei palm seed should look like at this stage. Late summer, nice and plump, despite the lack of rainfall here, and they'll be ready to harvest in late December here on Salt Spring Island. So if your palm seeds look like that, they're off to a good start. These had no water all summer, and these kidney-shaped seeds are doing fine, still green, and even when I harvest them, they will be green, but they'll turn black afterwards once I hang them in dry storage for a bit. So if your seeds look like that, folks, you got a good crop. There's about 7 to 8 seed stalks on this palm tree right here. All right, folks, thanks for watching, and happy seed harvesting from your Chinese windmill palm. They're about the size of a blueberry, and like you can see, kidney shaped. That's what Trachycarpus fortunei seeds look like. And there's a lot of them up here.